Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change region or location on Stream. So at first open your Steam, press on to profile name, click on view my profile. As you can see, showing it to my main profile. Press on edit profile. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. As you can see, showing it to location. Press on and select your location, like I'm select United States. Okay, I'm just select United States and press on save, and that's it. Now successfully change my country or region. Or if you want to change another, like select, press on save, and that's it.